Hello guys, the Elevator Adventure channel here, and today we will do a food review from Del Taco. So this is what we got in the bag. We got napkins here, tortilla, quesadilla, another quesadilla, another napkin, fries. This is what they look like, cut fries, and the burger itself. And this is what they look like. Inside patty, burger, and cheese. So we're gonna eat this on camera. This is faceless view. Here we go. This tastes delicious. And let's not forget about the cut fries. Hold on. And here's my drink. It's strawberry Sprite. This is our first time. I'll link Del Taco in the description box after when I'm done with this video. Alright. This is a beef quesadilla. This is what it looks like. There's the inside carne and beef.
Carne and cheese.
Carne cheese. Sorry. Here's the drink. Let's try it on camera. Ooh, it's delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this food review. And that will be it. I'll take my thumbnail. There we go. And that will be it.